Hi, my name is Randy Shillington. Welcome, and thanks for considering Malibu Nursery and Landscaping for your home. Our customers really value their time at their property as either their second home or their primary residence. That's why we provide 3 to 4 man maintenance crews. This system gives each crew member a specific task to perform while they're at your property. Our process ensures a consistent level of service where nothing is missed and there's less overall time spent keeping you from using your property, and then you can get back to enjoying your time in the sun. If you'd like an estimate, please call us now or fill in the form on our website. We answer the phone and we reply to website requests within 1 business hour. In Malibu, no 2 properties are the same. You may have a large property with a lot of grass and roses that need to be maintained, or you may have irrigation problems that are costing you a bit in water and expense. We have over 20 different services available for you to maintain a beautiful landscape. But before giving you an estimate, we need to schedule a 15-minute appointment walkthrough with you around the property so that we can get a full understanding of what type of service you expect to receive, and then we can make recommendations. Thanks again for your interest, and check out our book, The Perfect Landscape, on Amazon. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.